In this video, we will show how to install the 8390 and 9390 series compact hinges on a face frame cabinet. Before you begin, make sure the overlay on the hinge matches the overlay that you are trying to achieve. Install the hinge into the door with 35mm borehole. Make sure the door is in the desired location, then use the recommended screws to attach each hinge to the cabinet. To make this easier, have someone hold the door while another person secures the door to the face frame. Now we will show you how to adjust your 8390 and 9390 series compact hinges. The 9390 80J series has the additional feature allowing you to adjust the speed of the soft close. Once the soft close is adjusted, cycle the door one time for the new setting to take effect.